A lot of auto repair shops post on social media without a real plan. They share random photos, occasional promotions, or generic reminders, but the content does not consistently drive trust or bookings. In 2026, AI helps shops build a better system. America's Best Shops helps auto repair shops use AI to plan content around what customers actually care about: safety, savings, convenience, service education, before and after stories, and proof of professionalism. Instead of posting just to stay active, the goal is to support real business growth. AI can help generate ideas, organize themes, write captions, and keep messaging consistent. That saves time while improving quality. The shops winning with social media are not always the biggest shops. They are often the ones showing up clearly and consistently. Good content helps customers remember you, trust you, and contact you when they need help. AI makes it easier to maintain that presence without turning marketing into a full-time job.